Hello, my name is Maiwa. I'm one of Mysafepay app instructors. This is the first video in the series of app development training using the Mysafepay app platform. In this video, I'm going to be training you on how to log into your admin interface to access your app account and then walk you through your app design. Note, you must have paid the company for the company to create an app account for you. After, you must have provided your details such as your email address, your full name, as well as your phone number. Now, once you have done that, the company is going to create your app account, and then you will be asked to come to app.mysafepay.ng. as you can see, app.mysafepay.ng. once you put that on your browser, this interface will appear. So you have to put the same email address you provided the company, and then you will put the password that the company will be giving you. The default password that is being given out is test1234. Test1234. That's TEST 1234. So once you put that here, you click on login. Note that it is important you know you can only publish one app per app account. You can only publish one app per app account. Now, looking at here, you will see this is my own app, EGNL app. You can see that these other ones are demo. They are demo. So you cannot have more than one app published using a particular app account. So each time you want to publish another app, you will always need to reach out to the company. You can reach out to any of the instructors, or you use the get your app form from the app to supply your details after you must have made the required payment. Then your app account will be created, like I said, and then you'll be given the password test1234. So you'll be using your email to log in. Now, once you log in and you want to create an app, a new application, you can see create a new application. You click on create a new application and put the name of your application here. You put the name of your application here. Let's assume you want to use Wes as the name of your app. This platform will not accept any character less than 6. Okay, so if your character is less than 6, you can add app to it to make it 6, but it must always be between 6 to 9 characters for it to work. So where's app? You can either put the app together or you separate it. Okay, but it's usually good you have it together than separating. So you click on create. Alright, so that is it. It's so easy. Logging into your admin interface and creating your first app. Now, the very first thing you are going to be doing is to choose a template. You choose a template before you begin the design. There are different templates that you can choose from depending on the type of business you are running and how you want your interface to look. For instance, if you choose this is the default. If you choose this is exactly how your interface will look. The menus will be lined up this way below. If you choose this is in form of a grid. You can decide to choose this. So it all depends on the type of business. Okay, but for the purpose of this class, we are going to be choosing this template. Now, we have chosen our template. The next thing is to design. This is the template chosen. The menus are below. So you can decide to change your template right from your design in case you do not want it this way. You simply click on change your template and then you can come and choose any other. Alright, by the way, whatever you are doing to your design, color, features, application, publication, you will be seeing a preview by this side of your screen. It's always better to use a desktop to create the app than using a mobile device. It's better to use a desktop, and that is why we are using a desktop for this training. It's easier and faster. Okay, so once you are done deciding on the template you want to choose, the next thing is to choose the layout of the template. You will see what the layout will do. You can change the layout. Now, for instance, for those who are conversant with the Mysafepay app, you will see the type of layout that we have for Mysafepay app. It is this layout where the features are to the left. Okay, so this is a different layout. This is the particular one that was chosen. This is another layout. So it's all about how you want your features to be laid out on the background. So it's also depending on what business the transaction the app is majorly for, or what will be the home page of your app. Okay, so for the purpose of this app, we are going to be choosing this layout 9. Okay, once you click it, it will be taking effect immediately, and you can be seeing the preview from this side. Now that is the layout chosen. We are still on the design. Once you are done, the next thing is to come to design your home page. Now for this home page, you must have designed your logo. I would recommend you use Canva Pro, okay, to design your logo, so that you can be able to have a transparent one, okay, because the background has to be transparent. If the background is not transparent, it is not going to look nice, because it will be carrying a background color. The logo will be carrying a background color, so it is always better to have a transparent background of your logo. So Canvas Pro will be able to give you that result. Okay, so once, let's assume you have your logo, you simply come to change your home page. All right, and click it, and then you select your logo. Let's assume this is the logo. You click open, and then it will be uploaded. Now once it's uploaded, this is the way it will show. It is very important that you have enough space at the sides of the logo, because this platform is going to crop the image. So the platform is going to be cropping out the size of the image. So if there are not enough space at the side, it's most likely your logo will be cut out. So you click on OK. So your logo automatically would be displayed on the background. That is, when people click on your app, what will show first is the background, and that is what you have uploaded here. Okay, so once that is done, we are done with the background logo. So here you can design whether you want to use that same background image for all the features that you will be creating on this app. If that is what you want, you check the box. If not, you will uncheck the box. Anyway, you can always play around to see the difference at the end of the day. If it is not what you like, you can uncheck. Now the next thing is the currency setting, your local currency setting. So if you are in Nigeria, you will be changing this to Nigeria Naira. Okay, so the transactions will be done in Nigeria Naira. And then the last thing for the design is to choose your font family, the type of fonts, the set of fonts that your app will be using. Okay, so you can just look at the way these fonts are to decide the type of font you'll be using. Now look at the preview that is here. So I'm going to be choosing a font, and you see it changing. Okay, so for instance, I can decide to choose this font. called righteous. Look at here and see the changes. It is changing. And now you can see how the font is looking. Okay, so once you are done with that, you are done with your design. In our next class, I'm going to be taking you through how to change the colors. Thank you.